Big names like Volkswagen, Moderna, and Bosch are already improving their teams with RealPAR's industrial automation training. Click the link below for a free consultation. Learn how easy it is to train your team with RealPARs. Hello, and welcome to another free video from RealPARs, the world's largest online learning platform for cutting-edge industrial technologies. In today's video, I will explain how companies can retain employees by providing opportunities for continuous learning, how RealPARs facilitates continuous learning with skill paths, and introduce our latest skill path, LearnLogix, which teaches you everything you need to know to program Logix 5000 controllers with Studio 5000 Logix Designer. We have a lot to cover, so let's get started. Many manufacturing companies are struggling to find and retain skilled workers. This is in part because younger workers move from company to company more than previous generations. One of the most effective ways that organizations can increase employee retention is to provide continuous training and development opportunities. Employees are much less likely to leave a company that provides opportunities for professional development. But as many managers know, finding time and budget for week-long in-person training is difficult, and this is where RealPARs comes in. At RealPARs, we aim to make training available for every employee in every manufacturing company. That's why we provide bite-sized, self-guided courses that can be taken online at your own pace, and a community where members can connect and support each other. With a RealPARs subscription, employees get access to a growing library of courses covering PLC programming, visualization, industrial networking and cybersecurity, robotics, and more to help them develop the technical skills that they need to succeed in an organization. But not every course is a standalone course. Some topics are too large to cover in a single course. In this case, a set of courses should be taken together, in sequence, to create a learning experience that leads an employee from fundamental knowledge to mastery of a topic. A skill path is a group of courses tied together for learners to progress through. Each course builds on the previous courses and provides a structured path to follow to master a specific topic. RealPARs skill paths are assembled by domain experts to provide members with a more structured training program. This structure helps students reach their goals faster by spending more time learning and less time wondering what course to take next. For organizations, skill paths reduces administration time, nurtures an environment of continuous improvement, and increases employee retention by providing small steps toward larger goals and continuous learning opportunities. At RealPARs, we recognize the power of skill paths, and we have been working hard behind the scenes to define and roll out skill paths that will help individuals and organizations to meet their goals. The LearnLogix skill path teaches you everything that you need to know to be an expert PLC programmer specializing in programming Logix 5000 PLCs with Studio 5000 Logix Designer. By following this skill path, you will learn the fundamental knowledge that you need to know before programming Logix 5000 PLCs, basic PLC programming techniques for developing and testing application logic in Studio 5000 Logix Designer, intermediate techniques to write modular code using all of the supported languages in Studio 5000 Logix Designer, how to work with Logix 5000 hardware, and how to use hardware data in your Studio 5000 Logix Designer projects, advanced techniques to read and write system data and schedule the execution of your application logic using tasks, and the new features that are available with each release of Studio 5000 Logix Designer. At the end of this skill path, you will build a capstone project that lets you apply everything that you have learned on the skill path and proves that you are an expert at programming Logix 5000 PLCs with Studio 5000 Logix Designer. In this video, I have explained the importance of continuous learning for employee development and retention. I have also unveiled RealPARs' first skill path, which supports continuous learning by teaching you everything you need to know about PLC programming with Studio 5000 Logix Designer. RealPARS Pro members can already access the first course in this skill path, and more courses will be published shortly. To learn more about becoming a RealPARS Pro member, use the link in the description below this video. If you're an engineering manager interested in learning more about how RealPARS can support employee development, training, and retention, visit this link and fill out the form to get more information about our team memberships. You can find the link in the description below. If you're an individual, let us know what other skill paths you would like to see released in the comments below this video. We can't wait to hear from you.